likewise dito sa condo project natin, which is very affordable, no? Mga magkano kaya yung mga units natin dito, sir?
As of now, sir, for our studio type, price starts at 3,893,000 up to 4,038,000 pesos. And for our one bedroom naman, sir, which is 30.36 to 30.77 square meters, price starts at 5.5 million pesos above.
And I believe, as we've discussed a while ago, kumbaga wala siya palang VAT, non-VAT pa din siya. So naka-ano lang sa miscellaneous fee na wherein wala na silang babayaran na any move-in fees, no, or other hidden charges.
Wow.
And when it comes to the payment terms, I believe very straight lang yung payment terms natin. Paano ba yung payment terms?
Very simple lang siya, sir. For our down payment, we have two options. So the first one, pwede siyang straight, equally divided into 39 months.
39 months.
Then another one, we have our step-up term. So we have 3 tranches dito. Every 13 months nagbabago siya. So on the first 13 months, magaan pa lang siya. Then pabigat lang siya.
Okay.
I mean, pataas.
Yes!
Ayan. So para ma-yield pa rin natin yung certain percentage for our down.
So for us, typical studio natin, let's say the client opt to choose yung sa let's say 39 months. So for as low as 16,000, you have already a condominium, no?
Wow.
As in stretch pa yung payment terms, no? Kasi yun nga, ano ba yung available financing option nyo pala dito?
As of now, sir, we have bank financing.
Okay.
We also have in-house, then deferred kung si client ay medyo allergic sa interest.
Okay.
Then for foreigners, of course, we have retention finance.
Okay. So, what are the available banks na pwede?
Some, to mention, we have Union Bank, BDO, China Bank, and the First Call Bank.
Oh, I see. So, from the 15% down payment, imagine kung yung estimated loanable amount mo is nasa 85%, no? Na nasa 3.8 lang yung malaloan mo. So, kung let's say stretch niya din up to 20 years, parang nasa 23,000 lang yung monthly amortization niya, no? So, kasi for this condominium project, syempre, yung ibang client natin, gusto nilang ipa-Airbnb. So, allowed ba yung Airbnb?
Yes, sir.
No,
actually,
for rental.
We also have our third party.
Oh, merong third party.
Spaces leasing.
Oh.
So, pwede niyo po silang
i-enroll
kung gusto niyo lang.
For a hassle-free property management. Oh, that's nice. And then, yun nga, since na-mention na natin yung sa price, no, when we launched the project way back 2022, no, sir, during the pandemic.
Yes, sir.
Magkano lang siya before, no?
We started selling our project for just 2.2 million pesos.
Oh, I see.
And on 2023, sir, we had a quarterly increase with an average of 150,000 to 200,000 pesos. So by 2023, our price is already 3.9.
Okay.
And right now, on the second quarter of 2024, we are on the 4.1 to 4.3 bracket.
So, but still, sa mga clients natin, very affordable pa siya. Kasi sooner or later, as time goes by, comes 2025, 2026, 2027, tataas pa yan. So, we will going to flush the projected value appreciation, no? Para at least you could have an idea kung na mag-grow yung money nyo if you will going to invest sa condominium project.
It's never too late, sir.
Oh.
To invest talaga with real estate.
Yes. And ayun, sir, any more to add? Ano pa yung mga other features ba ni Asterra, sir?
Ayan po. So, one of our unique selling point is that the majestic view of Mount Asterra. So, imagine, no, sa first video natin, yung model unit natin, we are just on the ground floor. Pero want more pa kapag nasa upper floor ka.
Yes.
And yeah, we are on the pre-selling stage kasi, sir. Kaya clients, investors should really grab the opportunity and take advantage of our current price. Kasi as time goes by nga, tulad ng flash mo kanina sa ceiling, mas malaki talaga ang income potential in real estate, especially in condominiums.
Yes, sir. Since you mentioned pala a pre-selling, sir, when it comes sa turnover, so when do we expect na ma-turnover na yung project with the unit?
For our first building, so expected turnover is December 2020. So that's almost more than 3 years from now.
I see. So, malapit na din.
Yes.
So, what more kapag mata-turn over na, I
Yes.
believe, tataas na naman lalo yung prices, no? So, that's why you have to feel free to message us with this number and for a comprehensive discussion ng mga prices and computation and available inventory that we have. Kasi I believe, konti na lang pala yung
Yes,
available
sir.
natin
Opo.
for the first hour.
We
no,
have
sir?
limited slots na lang talaga. So, first come, first serve na lang talaga.
Yes. So again, message us with this number and contact us and we're more than happy to guide you. Again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker, together with me, si Sir
Yes,
Yen.
Australia, from the rising star in the Christmas capital of the Philippines, Asterra, San Fernando.
Yan. And see you on our reservation. Bye for
Bye.
now.